Good morning, students. Today we'll see this mesh analysis problem with three loops. Okay, so current direction is not given here, so we have to assume current direction in clockwise in all the three loops. Correct, as I said earlier in the first problem. Correct. Then here you check all the sources. Everything is in voltage source. If there is any current source, it must be converted into voltage source. நீங்கள் ஏதாவது கரண்ட் சோர்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது வோல்டேஜ் சோர்ஸாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும். இஃப் இட் இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள் டு கன்வெர்ட் இட் டு வோல்டேஜ் சோர்ஸ் தென் தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் சூப்பர் மெஷ் ப்ராப்ளம். தட் ஆல்சோ வில் டிஸ்கஸ் இன் லேட்டர் ஆன் வீடியோஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட் மீ புட் த கரண்ட் டைரக்ஷன் ஆஸ் I1 for I2 current direction and for I3. So we have three loops here. Correct. For loop 1 we'll write equation as I said earlier. So if you find current direction for any source like this, correct, we'll take this as positive voltage. Okay, if it is opposite then you will take it as negative. Okay, so now see for the first loop, sum of the algebraic sum means it can be additive or subtractive. Okay, அதாவது நம்ம ஆடும் பண்ணலாம் சப்ராக்டும் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ நம்ம வோல்டேஜ் சோர்ஸ் எப்படி கனெக்ட் ஆகிருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும், அடிட்டிவாக இருக்குது இல்லை சப்ராக்டிவாக இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ left hand side is algebraic sum of potential rise. We have two sources in this loop. So first source, the current direction is, see, as per this clockwise direction, current direction is like this. Hence we will take this as plus 20. For this one it is just opposite, hence we will take this as minus 5. See here, 20 minus 5. So algebraic sum of the potential rises. Now potential drops in the resistors. So idla pora current 5i1 for 3 ohm resistor, which is common for loop 1 and loop 2. Okay, now the current direction for I1 is like this. Current direction I2 will be just opposite. So we have to put difference of these two current is flowing across, flowing through this 3 ohm resistor. அப்போ இதுக்கு வந்து வெறும் I1 மட்டும்தான். So I will put this as 5i1, correct, plus 3 into, if I take first loop it should be as I1 minus I2. Okay, nothing else is there. So just rearrange this one as quotient of I1 and I2, correct. So we'll get the answer. So 15 is equal to 5i1, so 8i1 together minus 3i2. Let us have this as first equation. For loop 2, okay, for loop 2, same manner I'm going to write KVL equation. For that, algebraic sum of the potential rises. Okay, so for this one, current flow is I2 flowing in this direction, it is in this direction, this also in this direction. In all the three sources, current direction is as required. Correct, எப்படி இருக்கணுமோ இந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்குது. So we'll take all as positive. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, algebraic sum of all the potential rises over. Then for this 3 ohm resistor, now what we are taking second loop up, எப்படி எழுதணும், I2 minus I1, correct. Then plus 4, for this one only I2 only flows in this resistor. For this resistor, as it is common to loop 2 and loop 3, current flow will be the difference or addition of these two current. Let us check whether it is difference or addition. So I2 வந்து இந்த direction of flow ஆகுது, I3 clockwise எடுத்தோம்னா இது இந்த direction. So across through this resistor opposite direction la இருக்குது current. Okay, so hence we take this as I2 minus I3 or I3 minus I2, difference of these two current flowing. Okay, so here for this one 4I2 plus while consider this one 2 into, as we are in second loop it should be I2 minus I3. Okay, so rearranging this, 15 is equal to 3I2, 4I2, 6I2, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9I2 minus 3I1 Okay, minus 3i1, no more i1, then minus 2i3. Again I rearrange this as coefficient of i1, i2, i3, correct? So minus 3i1 plus 9i2 minus 2i3. This is my second equation, correct? Now loop 3. Okay, for loop 3 again we have two sources. Based on the current direction in the loop 3 I consider. Okay, so based on the current direction i3, so இது இப்படி இருக்கு, correct? இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு, இங்கே வந்து இருக்கு. So this is to be considered as negative voltage, minus 5. இங்கே current opposite direction இருக்கு, hence it is minus 30 is equal to drop across this drop in this loop, correct, across the resistors. So now only one resistance in the loop, so we'll get this as 2 into, well, it is common to loop 2 and 3, and difference of the current we have to consider, correct? அப்போ எப்படி வரும், தேர்ட் லூப்பை கன்சிடர் பண்ணும்போது i3 மைனஸ் i2ன்னு இருக்கும், கரெக்ட்? ஸோ இதை ரீஅரேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது minus 35 is equal to I rewrite directly minus 2i2 plus 2i3. This is my third equation. So all the three equations we formed from these three loop, now it is to be written as a matrix format, correct? We know V is I R is equal to V, correct? R matrix and then I matrix, then V matrix we will write. Okay, first write R matrix, which is nothing but coefficient of I1, I2, I3, correct? Is equal to V value, we are going to write it. Okay, from this equation it is 8 minus 3, there is no coefficient of I3, hence it is taken as 0. For this one, minus 3, coefficient is 9 minus 2, correct? And see here, for the first equation it is 15, second equation also it is 15, for third equation it is minus 35. Before that we will consider coefficient of I1 கிடையாது, அதனால you will put this as 0, I2 is minus 2, I3 is plus 2, clear? Then here minus 35, okay, minus 35. So after forming this matrix, with the help of the Cramer's rules, you have to find out I1, I2 and then I3. Now our requirement is to find out current flowing through the 3 ohm resistor. Here it is 3 ohm resistor, see, current flowing through 3 ohm resistor. So I1 and I2 is enough to find here, correct? It is I1 minus I2, clear? So hence our requirement is current flowing through I3 ohm, current flowing through 3 ohm resistor, which is nothing but I1 minus I2 or I2 minus I1, we can take anything. Okay, so to find out I1, it is del 1 by delta, and I2 is del 2 by delta. So from Cramer's rules, we have to find out determinant and del 1 and del 2. Okay, okay, del 1 is nothing, delta. First we will find out delta. Delta is the determinant of this one, 8 minus 3 0 minus 3 9 minus 2 0 minus 2 2, correct? So with the help of the calculator we can directly find out the determinant of this one. As இதுக்கான வீடியோ எப்படி டிட்டர்மினன்ட் கால்குலேட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணி பண்ணுறது ஆல்ரெடி போட்டிருக்கு, அதை வேணால் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. அதர்வைஸ் ஐ வில் டூ இட் ஃபார் திஸ் ஒன். இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் மட்டும் நான் போடுறேன். ஓகே, கால்குலேட்டரில் ப்ரெஸ் மோட், தென் 2 times, third time, so take mat, okay, press 2 so that it will get this one. Okay, now shift 4, press it. First we have to decide the dimension. I'm going to choose A matrix, so 1, so dimension it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now just enter the elements from A11 to 3 3. Okay, so I just enter the elements here. It is 8, then minus 3, 0, minus 3, 9, minus 2, 0, minus 2, 2. Clear? So once the port முடிச்சிட்டு AC press பண்ணிடுங்க. I am going to find out determinant. Check here. Mode, shift 4. Shift 4, we need determinant. So just press this. I'll get determinant 1. Correct? Then again, whatever the operation you need, you just put shift 4. Okay? So 3, 1. So determinant of matrix A, it is 94. Okay? It is 94. Similarly, we have to find out for del 1. Del 1 is replacing this first column with the voltage column. Okay? So 15, 15, minus 35, minus 3, 9, minus 2, 0, minus 2, 2. So taking the determinant of this one, we'll get this one. Some answer, we'll check it out. Okay, del 2. What is del 2? Again, replacing the second column of delta with the voltage column. So in the ரெண்டாவது column தூக்கி இது பண்ணுங்க. 8 minus 3, 0, and then 15, 15, minus 35, then 0, minus 2, 2. Okay, we'll find the answer for this one. Okay, solving this, del 1 is 90 I got, and del 2 is minus 230. I1 is del 1 by delta, so 90 by 94 is equal to 0.96. I2 is minus 230 divided by 94 is equal to minus 2.45. So negative sign indicates that the direction we assumed is wrong. So actual direction is just opposite. Correct? So we assumed clockwise direction. Now the direction will be in this direction. Correct? Anti-clockwise direction. Correct? So I1 is positive, hence the direction is correct, and I2 is wrong, which is just opposite to this one. Now see, I1 and I2 flows in same direction, hence the current is to be taken as additive. Correct? So I3 is I1 plus I2. Okay, hence we have, see here, hence we have that is current flowing 3 ohm resistor is I1 plus I2. Correct? So we will be adding this 3.41. In another way of understanding, initially we have put I3 ohm is equal to I1 minus I2. Correct? So I1 is 0.96 minus of I2 is minus 2.45. So we'll get minus into minus plus, again we'll get the same answer. Correct? So எப்படி வேணாலும் இதை நம்ம வந்து எடுத்துக்கலாம். நீங்கள் actual direction எடுத்துட்டு then whether the current flowing through the 3 ohm resistor is additive or subtractive, that can be calculated. Okay, hope you understand this one. Students, உங்களுக்கு நான் ஒரு அசைன்மெண்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அந்த ப்ராப்ளமில் 8 ohm எடுத்திருக்கேன். You just find out for 8 ohm resistor what is the value. Okay, we'll later on verify the answer. Okay, thank you all for this one.